Hi friends, this is 5 Months Talk YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take long screenshot using Easy Touch option in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone here and click on shortcuts and accessibility. Click on Easy Touch and turn on the button against Easy Touch. This is Easy Touch bar. You can move it anywhere on the screen. Now go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot and click on Easy Touch option and click on screenshots icon here and screenshot will be taken, but for long screenshot click on the long screenshot in the captured image and image will be scrolling automatically, so it will go up to the bottom of the screen. If you want to stop it at the intermediate point, just click over the screen and it will be stopped and click on save. This is the long screenshot using Easy Touch. If you want to edit this image, you can use editing tool here and there are various editing tools available here. You can use it, any editing tool. Also sharing button is available here. I would like to edit it with some marking and click on the tick mark, click on save finally. And to see the saved long screenshot, go to files and click on internal storage, click on DCIM, click on screenshots folder, and at last you will find the latest screenshot. So this is the long screenshot using Easy Touch option. In this way you can easily take long screenshot using Easy Touch and also locate the screenshot file in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.